Hello friend, it's Charee from Graphic 45 here to give you the tour of our new Fairy Boutique collection. So you can see laid out here, this collection is filled with gorgeous products. We've got 3 different paper packs and 4 different embellishments for your crafting needs. So let me show you what we have in store for you. With this release, we have redone our paper packs and we have some surprises in there for you. So our 8x8 and our 12x12 now also have these amazing patterns and solids included in there. So you can see they use up that full length of the paper. So they're a full 8.5 inches by 8 inches. And they're great for creating card bases, photo mats, or we just get so many questions with our vintage inspired color palettes on how to match, find matching cardstock. So this is the solution, and it's gonna make all of your crafting projects really pop and stand out now that you've got these dimensional patterns and solids to pop up different layers and use as photo mats. So in the 8x8, you're still gonna get those 24 sheets. You'll get 2 of each of the design papers. So many great cut aparts in this line. You gotta love all those little sparkles and fairies. This is my favorite of the new collections. I love pink and green, and this collection is really delivering. And how beautiful are these dresses, these cut aparts. Believe in magic, flying by to say hello. And here is the back of our journaling cards. And then there's those patterns and solids. So that's the 8x8, which of course is great for your small scale projects. The 12x12 is the same as the 8x8, but on a larger scale. So you can see it's the same imagery, but bigger. So how fun will these be for your layouts, your larger albums, home decor projects? I love this paper. Let us know what you're gonna create with these gorgeous papers. And are you excited about having the new patterns and solids included in this 12x12 pack? So 24 sheets in there, so much to work with when you're creating your different projects. And then we've got a brand new paper pack here for you. This is the 8.5 by 11 size. So it's a brand new size for Graphic 45. And you can see you're gonna get 2 of each color. So the arrow blue here, and you'll get 2 sheets of each. So I'm just showing you that. And you can see that in this pack, there are different solids that you don't get in the 12x12 and 8x8s. This is gonna be different, that you only can find in this pack. Here we have the lilac lavender, the posy pink, I love this shade of pink. It's a Graphic 45 signature color, and it's always a pleasure to see. And then last here we have our spring green. And then of course we've got our coordinating embellishments to go along with the Fairy Boutique papers. So a little something for every kind of craft, and they do a little something different each one. So I've got the Fairy Boutique rub-on transfer set here. Here you're gonna get 2 different sheets, a popsicle stick. So we've got our 2 sheets here, and you can see this one has got some gorgeous background images. So how fun will this be on the background of a card or on a canvas, a mixed media project? So no need to pull out those stamps. You can just pull out your ribbon transfer set. And then look at all these great elements So how fun would these be on some mason jars, and then put some little fairy lights in there, have them sparkle all summer long, or perhaps in your craft room. Here we have the ephemera assortment. In here, you're gonna get 61 different pieces, and pieces of all different sizes. So we've got some great sentiments. So these are gonna be great to pop onto your cards. Hello friend, sprinkle love, mushrooms, fairies, how cute is she? And some nice foliage. I love these fairy wings, so beautiful. Flying by to say hello. So we've added extra sentiments into our ephemera packs to make your card making and popping onto your layouts. Adding those sentiments even easier. Our goal is always to make the crafting experience as pleasurable as possible. So here we've got our chipboard pieces, tags, and frames. You've got 30 different assorted pieces in here. And the chipboard, of course, really gives you that dimension without having to do much work, which we love. And then, of course, you've got the different tags and all the different frames. Best day ever. And we've got our Fairy Boutique sticker sheets. You get 2 different sheets. These are 6 by 12 inches and so much fun to work with. These are a nice cardstock heavyweight sticker as well. And then here is a sample of what we've created using the 12 by 12 collection pack and some of those chipboard frames and pieces. So we've just used one of those large frames and added a couple of gorgeous pieces. So we cannot wait to see what you create with this collection. Be sure to share your projects with us on Instagram by tagging Graphic45. We thank you for joining, and as always, happy paper crafting.